Imagine you are a very smart guy and you are a CEO of a very powerful company. Even you doesn't have any equity in the company, but you are working super hard because you love your job. And suddenly your company's board member said, "We don't need you, you are fired, get the fuck out of here." And most importantly, they're not gonna give you a specific reason why they are firing you. And from the CEO of the company, you got fired and you became unemployed. Does that make any sense? That same thing happened to the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman. This is the company behind ChatGPT. The board of OpenAI fired CEO Sam Altman and they even fired co-founder Greg Brockman. And the next day, the investors of Microsoft and OpenAI tried to get both of them back. Then Microsoft hired Sam Altman and the Brockman. Then most of the employees of OpenAI told to the board that we are going to resign because you guys are taking stupid decisions. But the question is, why board member fired the co-founder and the CEO from the company? What is really going on inside OpenAI and what we gonna see next?
No one person should be trusted here. The board can fire me. I think that's important.
Those words would come back to haunt Sam Altman, the CEO of the hottest startup in tech.
Sam Altman, the co-founder of OpenAI, being forced out by the board.
This is, of course, a company at the center of the artificial intelligence boom.
Essentially a coup of sorts, a huge backlash, and now we're talking about a possible return.
OpenAI was founded with one stated mission: to build a superintelligence that is safe and benefits all humanity.
The board members of OpenAI gave some reasons about why they fired Sam Altman. Simply like Sam Altman was not candid to the board. And the board members were like, Sam is not honest and he is hiding something from us. That's why we need to change the CEO. And one by one, 3 CEOs changed at OpenAI in just 4 days. And the root of all of this controversy is AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, specifically QStar. AGI is a computer system that can do any job or any work that a human does, but only better. AGI can do almost any work that a human can do, like writing code, copywriting, video editing, or factory work, etc. OpenAI is developing artificial general intelligence or AGI for the benefits of all humanity. And QStar AI is the part of that system. Basically, QStar is an alleged internal project by OpenAI, which is decided to the application of the artificial intelligence in logical and mathematical reasoning. In short form, an advanced level of artificial intelligence that human wants to create. And according to the board member, Sam is very close to AGI and he knows a lot of things about it, but he is not sharing any information to anyone. Who knows the truth? But there is a war happening in OpenAI because everyone has a different way to think about AI. And probably AGI will come soon and you must have to prepare for this technology. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me. I will see you in the next video.